Good morning, children. Today we are drawing various specifications of parallelograms. We already studied how to draw squares and rectangles. And a square is a rhombus, and we can easily draw it. You know the speciality of a square. The sides are equal. What about the rhombus, which is not a square? The adjacent sides need not be perpendiculars. So if the adjacent sides are perpendicular, we can call it as square. Since the sides of a rhombus are equal, but the angles are different, and the adjacent sides need not be perpendicular also. So using one angle and a side, we are drawing for a rhombus. Draw a rhombus of side 4 cm. So first of all, you draw a 4 cm line. Then from two ends we can draw the perpendiculars. Either use the set square or a protractor. So keep the set square and mark 4 cm. Then the other side. Mark 4 cm, then draw the line. Then you have to join the top end also. Draw the line and complete the rhombus. So we got all 4 cm sides. Side 4 cm. So we can call it as a square. Okay, and that also it is a rhombus. A square is a rhombus once all the sides are equal and the angles are perpendicular. The angle is 90 degree and the sides are equal. We can call that square as a rhombus. Then what about the rhombus, which is not a square? So I am taking the side as 4 cm itself, and you can take any angle. I am taking angle as 30 degree. So we are drawing a rhombus which is not a square. So take angle 30 and side same 4 cm. So draw 4 cm line. Then from one end we can keep a 30 degree angle. Degree. Then draw the 4 cm line from here. So this angle is 30 degree. This is a 4 cm line. Then from here also you should draw a 4 cm line. So for that, either you can use a compass and mark 4 cm and draw an arc. From here also draw the arc. Otherwise, you extend this line and take again angle 30. So I am drawing with the compass. Mark 4 cm in a compass, and from here draw an arc. Then from here also draw the next arc. So that you will join at this point. So draw the 4 cm line and complete it. So this is 4 cm. Then you have to join here also. Join this point. Now we got a rhombus of angle 30 degree and side 4 cm. So if you change this angle, you can draw another rhombus. Taking same 4 cm, and instead of 30, I took 40 degree here. Keep it on the line and mark 40 degree and draw the 4 cm line from there. Draw the line and mark 4 cm from here. So this is the 4 cm line. Mark angle as 40 degree. Then you have to extend this line. Then again take 40 degree and complete the rhombus. Extend this line and again you mark 40 degree. Then draw a line from this point. Okay, from here we are drawing a line. Draw the line and mark 4 centimeter from this point. So this is also a 4 centimeter line. Then you have to join these two ends. So you are getting another rhombus with the side 4 centimeter and angle 40. So a rhombus which angle is 90 degree and sides equal are called a square itself. In this case, this is a square and a rhombus. But a rhombus which is not a square, we can draw like this with an angle and the sides. If the angle changes, the shape of the rhombus also will change. Either you can use the compass to draw, otherwise use here you draw again a 40 degree here. Then mark 4 centimeter. So first of all you draw 4 centimeter and draw an angle 40 and draw a line. Then keep your set square like this and mark 4 centimeter. That also you can draw it. These are the properties of parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. These are the two opposite sides. Okay, they are equal. These are also. And they are parallel also. If this is 5 centimeter, here also 5. So opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then diagonal bisect each other. If you draw the diagonal, they will bisect each other. And opposite angles equal. This angle and here. These angles are opposite angles are equal. These two angles equal. These two are also equal. Sum of angles of the same side is 180. If these two sides, if you added, it will be 180. Of these two, if you added, that will be 180. In the case of a rhombus, all the sides are equal. But in parallelogram, only opposite sides are equal. Here, others are same as in the case of parallelogram. Opposite sides parallel, diagonals perpendicular bisectors of each other, opposite angles equal, sum of angles are 180. So only this one is a change. All others are same for the parallelogram. All the sides are equal, and all the sides equal and perpendicular, we can say it as a square also. Okay, this rhombus become a square once all sides are equal and the angle is 90 degree. This is a rhombus which is not a square. So this is a rhombus which is square itself. Here the angle is 90 and the sides are equal. But in the case of this one, these two, okay, the angle is not 90 but the sides are equal. This is also a rhombus which is not a square. We shall, if the sides are equal, that is a square. But here the sides are equal but that is not a square. It is a rhombus. In the case of a square, the diagonals are equal. But in the case of rhombus, these two diagonals are not equal. Okay, so unlike squares, the diagonals of a rhombus may not be equal. These two are in different length. In this picture you can see they give the side and the angle. Next we are drawing with by giving the diagonals, how we are drawing the rhombus. We can see it. So remember that one, the diagonals are not, the length are not equal. Draw a rhombus of diagonal 6 cm and 4 cm. So two diagonals having different length. Okay, one is 6 cm and next one is 4 cm. So first of all, we have to draw a 6 cm diagonal. So first of all, you have to draw a line of 6 cm length. Next, you have to draw diagonal of 4 centimeter. So remember that the diagonals are bisect each other. So we can draw a bisector of 4 centimeter here. So using diagonals we are drawing the rhombus. Okay. How we are drawing the bisectors? Take more than half of the length and mark an arc on top and bottom. Then the other side also we draw the arc. Then we have to join these two points. Join the points, we will get like this. Then the first diagonal is 6 centimeter, the next diagonal is 4 centimeter. So from this midpoint 2 centimeter away you have to mark a point from both sides. Okay, 2 centimeter. So together it is how much? 4 centimeter. So 2 centimeter away from here and 2 centimeter away from here. That you have to mark it. So this is the point 2 centimeter here. So this is the next diagonal. So we get a rhombus by joining these points with the ends of the first line. So from here we have to draw it and complete the rhombus. Join these lines like this. Next here we got a rhombus. So the diagonals are given, we can draw rhombus like this. A 6 centimeter line first, then draw the bisectors, then from this midpoint 2 centimeter away, here also 2 centimeter. Together it is how much? 4 centimeter. So two diagonals with the 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter rhombus we are drawing it. How do we draw a rhombus inside a rectangle? So this one we have to draw it. So we are drawing a rectangle with the 6 centimeter sides. Then you find the midpoint of this line. It is the midpoint. Then 4 centimeter you have to mark it the next side. Use a set square or protractor, you can draw the next line. So a 4 centimeter line, you have to draw it. Then next side, draw a 4 centimeter line there. Then complete the rectangle. Draw the top end. So you got a rectangle of 6 and 4 centimeter length. So this is 6 and 4, that is why you can easily find out the midpoint. If it is 6.5 or 4.5, we cannot easily find out the midpoint. That times you have to find out the bisector of this line. Both the lines you have to find out the bisector and draw the bisector like the previous one. Then you have to join and you have to make a rhombus. Here it is 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter, that's why you can find out the midpoint easily. So 4 centimeter the midpoint is 2. Here 6 centimeter is 3. Here also midpoint is here. Then you have to join these midpoints. You will get a rhombus. Next here we complete the rhombus. A rhombus, you got a rhombus inside the rectangle. Then if you need, you can draw the diagonal also. Draw the diagonal. Okay, so you got a rhombus inside a rectangle. Either you can follow this one, draw the diagonals first and draw the bisectors, then by extending this end Okay, 6 centimeter. Keep 3 centimeter here to both ends. If you extend this, you will get a rectangle here. So draw the bisector and complete the rectangle. Sorry, complete the rhombus. Then from the top ends and bottom ends, you can complete the rectangle. This way also you can complete a rectangle. Okay, the rhombus is inside a rectangle. If they given the side, we can draw this method, and if they given the diagonals, we can draw it like this. After completing the rhombus, we can draw a rectangle. So if the total length is 6 centimeter, this is here it is 3 centimeter each. Here it is 4 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter each from this point. Okay. Draw a rhombus of diagonals 5.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So the sides diagonals are given 5.5 and 3. So first of all, you have to draw a 5.5 centimeter line. Then find the bisector. Okay, 5.5 centimeter line, you can draw it. Then using the compass, draw the bisector for this line. So take more than half, draw the arc on top and bottom. Then from the other end, so that it will meet at these points. So join that line. So you get like this. Then one of our diagonal is 5.5. The next one is 3 centimeter. So from the midpoint, you have to take 1.5 centimeter on both sides. So together it is 3 centimeter. So 1.5 you have to mark it. This point. So mark 1.5 from both end, upper end and lower end. So together you are getting 3 centimeter. So this is the point. So then you have to join these ends. The other end also you have to join like this. So you got a rhombus with the 5.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter diagonals. So first of all, we are drawing 5.5 centimeter line. Then draw the bisector, and from the midpoint, take 1.5 upper side and lower side. Then these two ends will be joined. So you will get a rhombus with the 5.5 and 3 centimeter diagonal. Draw a rhombus of diagonals 5.5 and 3.5 centimeter. So first of all, we can draw a rectangle of 5.5 and 3.5 centimeter. So we got a square of length 5.5 and 3.5. Next, we have to find out the bisector of this line and this one also. So draw bisector for 5.5 line. Then draw the line. So extend the line. So 5.5 centimeter bisector you got. Same you have to do it for this 3.5 also. Find the bisector of 3.5. Take more than half. From both the ends, draw the arc and draw a line here. So draw the bisector for 3.5 also. Then you have to mark this. These are the midpoint of the rectangle. Okay. Then you have to join these lines. So you can complete the rhombus that is inside the rectangle. So a diagonal of 5.5 and 3.5. Draw the bisectors and complete the rhombus.